today we're trying out Better Needs. So lang namin siya i-try kasi as donuts connoisseur.
Enthusiast. Cool. Enthusiast. Kala mo nagko-collect. Kaya siya one of the best donuts that I've tried kasi ang dami niyang feeling sa loob.
And
Feeling malungkot,
sourdough.
feeling matapang, ganun. This is the
Maple
bacon.
So this one's the salted caramel. Mmm! Very ano siya. Airy. But it's so good. See, eclair and
S'mores.
s'mores.
Alam mo what
Siksik, di ba? Kita nyo siksik yung lumalabas.
Siksik. Parang pisngi niya.
Oh my god. Mas moist, airy,
Everything.
and everything.
Hindi ako coffee guy eh. Parang may coffee.
Okay lang.
Parang tiramisu yan.
No. S'mores to.
Pero tiramisu yan.
Pero may order din siyang yema.
Oo. Kaya ate yan.
Alam, hindi. Pero kasi may mallows dito.
No. It's not mallows.
Ano gagawin natin?
Kasi alam ko yung lasa. Kasi hindi ako coffee guy.
It's really good. I don't know what the feeling is. But I'm feeling it.
Wow.